Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a yellow omelet. First, gather your ingredients. For a single serving, you'll want 2 or 3 large eggs. To achieve that perfect fluffy texture, add about 1 tablespoon of milk or water. Don't forget to season your eggs with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. These simple additions make a big difference in flavor and consistency. Now, let's prepare the eggs and the pan. Crack your eggs into a bowl and whisk them vigorously with a fork or whisk until they are slightly frothy and uniformly yellow. Next, choose a good non-stick pan, ideally around 8 inches in diameter. Place it over medium heat and add about 1 teaspoon of butter, letting it melt and coat the bottom evenly. It's time to cook. Pour the whisked egg mixture into your hot, buttered pan. As the edges begin to set, gently push the cooked egg towards the center with a spatula, tilting the pan to let the uncooked egg flow underneath. Continue this process for about 1 to 2 minutes until the omelet is mostly set but still slightly moist on top. To finish, add your favorite fillings, like cheese or herbs, to one half of the omelet. Then, carefully fold the other half over. Gently slide your perfectly cooked omelet onto a plate and serve it immediately for the best taste and texture. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade yellow omelet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.